Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming pairing. Make sure the AirPods Pro 2 are linked to your Apple ID and iCloud. Once done, turn on Bluetooth and location on your iPhone. Open the Find My app and tap Devices to view the AirPods' last known location. This tells you where they were last connected. If they show last seen nearby, move toward that spot. If they appear on the map, use the on-screen address as your immediate target to narrow the search. If the Find My map shows your AirPods nearby, tap them and use Play Sound. This emits tones to locate a bud hidden under cushions or in a bag. For iPhone 11 or newer, enable precision finding. Follow the directional arrows and distance readout to walk right to them. Make sure to check the left and right earbuds individually and the charging case, because one could be separated. If only the case appears, search spots you recently sat or the car, since cases don't emit sound. Finish by retracing your route slowly and checking realistic hiding spots: pockets, backpack compartments, couch creases, and under car seats. If the AirPods are offline, enable Notify when found in Find My so you get an alert when they reconnect. Also turn on Notify when left behind to avoid future loss. If you still can't locate them, try resetting the AirPods and recheck Find My. If they remain missing, contact Apple support about
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.